Hey guys, Daniele here, your fried geek, and today we're gonna do something special. Today we're gonna challenge Chick-fil-A and cook the ultimate air fryer chicken sandwich. The best. Now, before digging into the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to comment, share, and destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and let's dig in. Alright guys, let's go straight into the recipe. I have a chicken breast here cut into half horizontally. I'm gonna put into a Ziploc bag, and as you can see, we are gonna marinate this chicken breast for about 30 to 45 minutes with half cup of pickle juice and a third of a cup of a whole milk. This is the most important step to get that kind of pickly taste that is so unique of the Chick-fil-A sandwich. Here we go, just be careful to take all the air out, give it a massage and put it in the fridge, 30 to 45 minutes. Simple, I take it out after 45 minutes, I just pat dry my chicken, and then I do a coating, very simple. I have one container with half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black peppercorn. Very easy, very simple, nothing too complicated. The second container has 1 egg and half cup of whole milk. That's it. So the coating is very simple. First step, I like to put in the all-purpose flour mix, and second step, I like to put on the half cup milk and 1 egg mix. That's it. As you can see, pay attention to this so we will have a perfect coating. So I like to preheat my air fryer at 350 for about 5 minutes, then spray the grate, put my chicken in between 350 to 375 for about 8 to 9 minutes, and then the last part will be at 400 for 4 minutes. Now let's see a variation where the first two containers are exactly the same. So my flour mix, second step would be my egg wash, as you can see here, and then in the third container I have panko and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Please, let's use the real deal. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. So it's half cup of panko and 1 tablespoon of Parmigiano. This will give even more saltiness and cheesiness to our final product. I liked the last couple of minutes of the cook to place my bun in with a little bit of butter, but this is totally optional and up to you. You can also avoid to toast the bun. Alright, now let's go take a peek of the panko breaded chicken. Wonderful. Now that's how I like to assemble my air fryer chicken sandwich. So a little bit of mayo, then a nice lettuce, and then I put my piece of chicken on top. I like to place a couple of slices of tomato and then a couple of pickle. Very simple and absolutely delicious. As you can see here, the bun is a store-bought bun, but it's beautiful. It's really good, upscale, I would say, bun. Look at that, beautiful. Now, don't forget again, guys, to subscribe, to give me a like, and to activate the notification to get the last. And let's go straight to the test and the wife test. All right, guys, wife test. Air fryer chicken sandwich.
I've been waiting for this for a week. I love chicken sandwich.
Better than Chick-fil-A? Looks like really yummy. Half for you, half for me. So this is the first version with no panko. Let's see how it looks like.
Wow. That's pretty freaking amazing. How'd you get it to taste like Chick-fil-A? Wow, I'm shocked. That's a good freaking chicken sandwich. Freaking chicken.
Guys,
You can't even talk?
We're speechless. No. It is really similar to Chick-fil-a. Seems fried chicken, to be honest.
I mean, the bun has a little bit more toast to it, which I actually like.
But
The chicken's super tender.
Yeah.
It has that, like, you know, pickly taste
yeah.
that you get from that sandwich. It's really like a simple but... Are you done already? Whoops.
I finished.
That's really
Amazing.
good. I'm surprised.
Chicken is juice. It's crunchy. You can feel the spice. The pickly taste is really present and strong, which I think is typical Chick-fil-A. The bun is better. It's more expensive and it's a store-bought bun, but it's really good.
It also feels cleaner. Like,
Yeah.
sometimes after you eat
not
Chick-fil-A,
heavy.
you feel kind of gross, but
It's not heavy.
yeah, this feels really light.
Guys, do this. Amazing.
Super yummy.